Today we are going to be looking at the lighting setup I have in the back of the Tundra here. So let's take a look. So this here is my 2007 Toyota Tundra, and I recently installed this camper. This is the Tune Outdoor M1 camper. Extremely roomy up here, and we're going to be doing a lot of stuff in here. But today I'm going to be talking about these lights right here that are installed on the factory Toyota rails. You can kind of see there, 2 per side, and it helps illuminate the bed area for obvious reasons. So if you have a camper, topper, or even an open bed, this will come in handy with pretty much any situation. Now these are tied into the bed light and also has a switch right here, so it'll override that feature when it timed out, and it'll turn off these lights here. So this is a push button style, so when I push it, they go off, and then when I have my tailgate down, they come back on. This is tied into the bed light button like I was mentioning. So right here, so if you had this on auto, it would work all the time, especially with the tailgate down. If you have it on off, obviously it would be off. But this is nice because you can, one, use that to power the back. So basically, whenever your cab light is on, it's sending power back here on auto. And then if that does time out, you will come and rely on this little guy here, so that way if your tailgate's down, you'll have light. So obviously when your tailgate's down, you're doing something in your bed, so that way you can have some light to see what you're doing in here. And then of course I have light on the top of my camper as well, so it's kind of like a halo light, goes all the way around up there, and that's powered with my Jackery or Goal Zero or whatever I'm gonna have in here. There's a power wire right there. I just plug it in. It's a little USB-C that will power those lights up there. So this is what the lights look like here. They are made from or by VLEDs. They're super bright, and I like the color. They're not too blue. And then they also give you these weather strips which hide the wires really well, and then they just come back here and then they tie into your bed light. But that is pretty much it. Just wanted to make this really quick video to show you the VLEDs factory Toyota bed rail lights. These are very easy to install and are really usable and bright. We are in the middle of the day. You can see how bright it is outside, and we're still able to show this much light in the bed. So super bright and extremely bright and useful at night, especially when you actually need them. But pretty much it. We'll have a link in the description for these if you wanted to get them for your open bed. Toyota Tacoma, Tundra, they work for both those models. Currently, this setup here works for the 2nd gen Tundra and 3rd gen Tacoma. They will have another kit for the 4th gen Tacoma and new Tundra as well. So be on the lookout for that. We'll make a video once that's available. But that's gonna be it. If you guys are not subscribed already, subscribe. Let us know what you guys want to see, and we'll try to make it. We'll see you guys in another video.